Hey, obviously COVID has thrown a wrench into many plans, including those of trying to get into shape. And with flu season coming back around the corner, and closures and more restrictions already coming in states like California, like New York, up in Canada, it's going to be very likely that gyms are going to be closed as well. So if you do not have equipment for your gym, let me give you just a quick look around my home gym to give you a few ideas on things that you can get to get started so you can take control of your health, of your wellness going forward through the rest of 2020 and beyond. All right, it's like MTV Cribs right here. So I'm actually in the middle of a workout, so I've got a loaded barbell right here with bumper plates. Bumper plates are excellent because the bumper plates will actually not crash into the ground and damage your flooring if you're in a garage or an interior home. So definitely recommend bumper plates over having a steel coated plate. Now, a couple other things though that are really essential here. Powerblocks. Powerblocks are adjustable dumbbells. Adjustable dumbbells, these ones go up from 0 all the way up to 90 pounds. You gotta buy a stand separately, but I recommend Powerblock versus Bowflex or any of the other imitators who are directly out there. Now behind me, what I have is a squat stand. So you can see each of these here. These are adjustable. This gives me the ability to do squats, to do bench presses, incline bench presses at home. So this makes it a lot easier than having a ton of different equipment throughout the house. Now, if you see behind me, that is a pull-up bar. So that's a pull-up bar fastened directly into the studs on my wall. These are much better than the door frame pull-up bars, but in a pinch, a door frame pull-up bar can do very well. Now, one of my favorite things that you could really get in the house overall would be gymnastics rings. So you could use gymnastics rings. There's a Jungle Gym XRT and there's a TRX. Basically, all of these have the same ability to do different exercises, whether it's inverted rows, push-ups, but the biggest benefit to having a suspension trainer, whether it's rings or something else, is going to be the joint-friendly nature of the training. So you're not in a fixed position like you are with a barbell. So this is much easier on your wrists, elbows, and shoulders. Now, what you see directly behind me now would be a weighted jump rope. This is from Crossroad. You don't necessarily need a weighted jump rope. You can find a great jump rope that's leather for 25 or 30 bucks. But in terms of having a tool where you can exercise, get an incredible cardiovascular workout, work on foot timing coordination, maybe build your calves a little bit, you're not gonna find a better option than using a jump rope. Looking down, kettlebell. So I've got 90, 60, 45, 35, and 15. So having those gives me the ability to do many different exercises. If you were just getting started, I would look at getting maybe 25, 45, and or 60, depending on your level of strength, but that should allow you to do many different movements directly. But kettlebells, an excellent tool. When I had a place, high-rise in Denver, and I only had about 800 square feet and a balcony, I had a kettlebell, a jump rope, and then some bands. And that was all I had for an at-home workout, but that did plenty. Okay, we also have mini Therabands. These are from Dr. John Russin. You can also find some excellent ones at elitefts.com. And then Perform Better, these are your typical like booty band type thing, but these are excellent for glute activation, which can help with everything from reducing knee injuries to improving lower back pain and obviously grow your glutes. Beyond that, I've got a stability ball in the back corner, you can see right there. And that's about it. But when it comes to the most important things that you can get for a home gym, I would really recommend getting some sort of pull-up bar and a TRX suspension trainer if you can. Adjustable dumbbells are a must, and then bands. Obviously, if you have the space like I do with a garage, getting a barbell is going to give you the most ability to do different exercises. And then, of course, an adjustable bench press right behind me, which allows you to hit all kinds of different angles and upper body movements and lower body movements like Bulgarian split squats. Anyway, this video is a little bit off the cuff, but just wanted to show you the inside of my home gym, a few different things that I would recommend that you would get, given that most gyms are going to be a little bit dicey to go to for the rest of the year, and chances are as many as 25% of gyms in the US will be going under and out of business, so that could limit your availability as well. All right, so if you have any questions directly on building out your home gym, any brand recommendations, equipment recommendations, just drop those questions directly in the comments below and I will be more than happy to help you. But now, I gotta get back to that workout. Have a great day.